1767 से 99। बौद्ध डायनेस्टी, राइज ऑफ मैसूर, बैटल ऑफ तालीकोटा 1565 लेड टू डिक्लाइन ऑफ विजयनगर एम्पायर। बौद्ध रोल एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन मैसूर 1612। Mysore emerged strong under Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. British threat perception increased due to French lines and coastal control. Rise of Hyder Ali. Maratha and Nizam invasion weakened Mysore. Hyder Ali became the de facto ruler 1761. Modernized army with French help. First Anglo-Mysore War 1767 से 69. Tripartite alliance formed. British Maratha Nizam. Hyder secured Maratha neutrality and turned Nizam neutral. British forced into Treaty of Madras 1769. Outcome mutual restitution. Second Anglo-Mysore War 1780 से 1784. Cause British violated Treaty of Madras, refused help to Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali with Maratha and Nizam attacked Carnatic. Early success against British. Eyrecourt captured. Sir Eyrecourt led British counter-attack. Hyder defeated at Porto Novo 1781. Hyder died 1782. Tipu continued war. Treaty of Mangalore 1784. Status quo ante restored. Third Anglo-Mysore War 1789 से 1792. Caused Tipu attack on Travancore. British allied with Maratha and Nizam. British captured Bangalore and advanced to Srirangapatnam. Tipu resisted but was defeated. Treaty of Srirangapatnam 1792. Half of Mysore treaty ceded to British, Maratha and Nizam. Heavy war indemnity imposed. Tipu sons taken as hostage. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War caused British suspicion of Tipu. Foreign alliance. France. Lord Wellesley pushed subsidiary alliance. British, Maratha and Nizam formed alliance. Fall of Srirangapatnam 1799. Tipu Sultan killed. Baudelh dynasty restored under British control. Mysore brought under subsidiary alliance. Anglo-Sikh War 1845 से 1849. Background: death of Ranjit Singh 1839 led to succession dispute with weak ruler. Factionalism and instability within Sikh administration. Army leadership weakened by Treasury Lal Singh, Teja Singh. First Anglo-Sikh War 1845 से 1846. Background: political chaos after Ranjit Singh's death. Sikh army crossed Satluj River. British used internal division to justify war. Course of war. Battle of Mudki 1845 British victory. Battle of Firozshah 1845 British won. Battle of Aliwal 1846 Sikh defeated under Sir Harry Smith. Battle of Sabron 1846 Lahore captured. Outcome: Treaty of Lahore March 1846. Dalip Singh recognized as ruler. Rani Jindal as regent. Kashmir transferred to Gulab Singh for 75 lakh. Treaty of Amritsar 46. Gulab Singh recognized as ruler of the J&K. Treaty of Bhairabal 46. Rani Jindal removed British resident appointed in charge of Lahore. Second Anglo-Sikh War 1848 से 1849. Battle of Ramnagar 48. Indecisive clash. Battle of Chillanwala 49. No clear victor. Battle of Gujarat 1849 British victory. Afghan ally expelled. Punjab annexed by Dalhousie March 1849. Outcome: Sikh Empire abolished. Maharaja Dalip Singh exiled to England. Rani Jindal exiled to Kohinoor. Diamond taken by British Crown. Sir John Lavernes appointed Chief Commissioner of Punjab. British education system. Baron Hastings established Calcutta Madrasa for Oriental learning. Arabic, Persian. Calcutta Madrasa 1781. Persian. William Jones founded Asiatic Society of Bengal in Calcutta 1784. Promoted research in Indian history, culture and Sanskrit texts. Strengthened Orientalist approach. Jonathan Duncan established Sanskrit College at Banaras 1791 for Hindu law and philosophy approved by Lord Cornwallis. Lord Wellesley established Fort William College 1800 at Kolkata. to train British officials in Indian language and culture. Raja Ram Mohan Rai supported English and Western scientific education, opposed expansion of purely Oriental institution, protested against Sanskrit College 1823 proposal, key role in establishment of Hindu College 1817, General Committee of Public Construction 1823 formed to supervise education in British India, initially dominated by Orientalist, conflict between Orientalist and Anglistic. Macaulay Minute 1835 promoted English as medium of higher education, aim create class Indian in blood but English in taste. William Bentinck 1828-1835 accepted Macaulay's recommendation, promoted English education officially, Persian replaced by English as official language, supported downward filtration theory. Anglist versus Orientalist debate settled in favor of Anglistic. Wood Dispatch 1854 issued by Sir Charles Wood to promote Western education, known as Magna Carta of English education in India. Department of Public Instruction set up in province 1855. University established Calcutta, Bombay, Madras 1857. Introduced graded education system, school to college. Training institution for teacher established. Language policy, vernacular at primary, Anglo vernacular at secondary, English at higher. Financial aid to private institutions, focus on women's education, vocational training. Hunter Commission 1882-83 reviewed Wood Dispatch implementation, focus on expansion of primary education, secondary education divided into academic and vocational. Emphasize on women's education, promoted mass education over elite. Indian University Act 1904 based on Raleigh Commission 1902 recommendation, strict control over university, increased government regulation, reduced autonomy of university. Sadler Commission 1917 से 19 reviewed Calcutta University, focused on improving secondary education, suggested intermediate stage between school and university, proposed secondary education board, recommended women's education board at Calcutta University, hierarchy education. एजुकेशन ट्रांसफर टू प्रोविंस 1921 से 37, हर्जोग कमेटी 1929, रिव्यूड एजुकेशन सिस्टम अंडर साइमन कमीशन, वर्धा स्कीम 1937, proposed at all India Education Conference वर्धा अक्टूबर 1937, conference based on Zakir Hussain Committee, concept of learning through activity, focus on productive work, craft based learning, free and compulsory education for children. 414 मदर टंग एज मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन, एम्फेसाइज ऑन सेल्फ रिलायंस एंड डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर, इंटीग्रेटेड एकेडमिक एंड प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग, ए सर्जेंट प्लान 1944, प्रपोज्ड यूनिवर्सल फ्री एंड कंपल्सरी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन, स्ट्रक्चर सिस्टम प्री प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी यूनिवर्सिटी नॉट इम्प्लीमेंटेड ड्यू टू फाइनेंशियल एंड पॉलिटिकल इशू, प्रिंसली स्टेट पॉलिसी ऑफ रिंग फेंस 1765 से 1813, Warren Hastings defensive strategy to secure British territories, primarily aimed to protecting Bengal from Maratha Durrani Empire Afghan threat, creation of friendly buffer state around British territory, example Awadh throughout Treaty of Allahabad 1765, British troops stationed in allied state, cost borne by them, no interference in internal matter of allied states, subsidiary alliance 1798 से 1805, Lord Wellesley, Indian state had to maintain British troops at their expense, disband their own army, mandatory British resident in allied state de facto authority, no external alliance without company approval, no employment of Europeans without company consent, company assured non-interference in internal affair, example Hyderabad 1798, फर्स्ट मैसूर 1799, तंजौर 1799, अवध 1801, पेशवा 1802, ट्रीटी ऑफ बसाइन भोसले एंड ईस्ट इंडिया 1803, जयपुर 1818, होलकर 1818, लास्ट पॉलिसी ऑफ सबऑर्डिनेट आइसोलेशन 1813 से 1857, लॉर्ड हेस्टिंग, प्रिंसली स्टेट under British control without direct annexation, external sovereignty surrendered, internal autonomy retained, British East India Company paramountcy over Indian state not treated equal but subordinate. British resident become powerful executive authority. Company controlled succession and recognition of ruler. Charter Act 1833 ended company commercial monopoly, turning it into purely and political and administrative body. Doctrine of lapse emerged. Doctrine of lapse 1848 से 1856 state annexed if ruler died without natural male heir, adopted son not recognized for succession to estate, inherited personal property only, applied mainly to Hindu princely estate, generally excluded Muslim estate. First annexation Satara, other states Jaipur, Sambalpur 49, Udaipur 52, Jhansi 53, Nagpur 54. Awadh annexed 56 on ground of misgovernance, not doctrine of lapse. Awadh and Jhansi, Nursery of Bengal Army. Political policy of subordinate union 1858 से 1935. Lord Canning. Crown policy after 1858 emphasized control without annexation. Princely estate under residents' supervision, under princes as breakwater to the storm. British control extended over strategic area, railway post, army currency. Princely forces recognized as imperial service troop. Deposition of ruler and misgovernance or disloyalty to Queen Empress. Chamber of Prince 1921, a consultative body that allowed prince to discuss common interest with viceroy. Butler Committee 1927, relation between paramount power crown and state paramountcy must remain paramount. Policy of equal federation 1935 से 47. Government of India Act 1935 proposed creation of all India Federation consisting of British province and princely estate, voluntary accession of princely estate, unlike governance, to come into effect if ruler representing half of the population signed instrument of instruction. Disproportionate representation. Princely estate 20% population but were offered 30% and 40% seat in lower and upper house respectively. Failure of federation due to lack of consensus. Census. Outbreak of World War II. Rise of Prajamandal movement for civil right and responsible government. Often INC support. Haripura Congress 1938 under SC was declared Purn Swaraj, included princely estate. Mountbatten Plan 3 June. Lapse of paramountcy of 15 अगस्त 1947 with Indian Independence Act 1947 Section 1 के B.